Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for sales tax registration, step by step. First, you need to understand if your business activities actually require you to collect sales tax. This often depends on what you sell and where you sell it. Next, determine your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Finally, gather essential business information, including your Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, if you have one. Once you've completed the initial preparation, the next step is to navigate the online portal. Visit your state's Department of Revenue or equivalent tax agency website. Look for the Sales Tax Registration section, which is typically found under Business or Taxes on their homepage. Carefully complete the online application form, ensuring all your business details are accurate and up to date. This digital process is designed to be straightforward. When filling out the application, you'll need to provide several key pieces of information. This includes your full legal business name, physical address, and contact details. You'll also need to include your Federal Employer Identification Number or your Social Security number if you are a sole proprietor without an EIN. Additionally, specify your primary business activity and provide an estimate of your expected taxable sales, perhaps over the next 12 months. Before you finalize your application, it is crucial to review all the entered information carefully for any errors. Once you are confident everything is correct, proceed to submit your application. Be prepared to pay any applicable registration fees, which can vary significantly from one state to another. After submission, you will typically receive confirmation and your official sales tax permit within a few weeks, allowing you to begin collecting sales tax.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.